Our struggle for independence was a long, crushing battle that had started way back in 1757 with a patriotic goal of Purna Swaraj. And to accomplish the same, there weren't only the freedom fighters of India, whom you know, like Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc., but also the heroes who fought as much but did not fall in the limelight. Hi everyone, I'm Jyoti Singh and you are watching the Learning Experience with Jyoti. Today I'm going to tell you about 10 unsung heroes about whom we don't know much. So let's begin. Velu Nachiyar. Yes, that's the name of the freedom fighter who created the first human bomb. When she found the place where the British stored their ammunition, she walked into the ammunition store after dousing herself in oil and lighting herself to destroy the arms. She had opposed the British rule and emerged as one of the most daring freedom fighters of India, much before Sepoy Mutiny or Rani of Jhansi came into life. Matangini Hazra. Matangini Hazra was a part of Quit India movement and non-cooperation movement. She was shot thrice in one of the processions but kept moving ahead with the Indian flag in hand. She kept shouting Vande Mataram. Aruna Asaf Ali. Not many would have heard of her, but in the list of daring freedom fighters, she ought not to be missed. She hosted the Indian National Congress flag during the Quit India movement in 1942 at Gwalior Tank Maidan in Bombay. Veera Pandya Kotta Bowman. In South India, Veera Pandya Kotta Bowman was the revolutionary who refused to pay taxes to East India Company. Veer Pandya was a chief from Panchal and Kurchi in Tamil Nadu but was betrayed by the ruler Puddukottai Vijaya Raghunatha Tondaiman to the British on 1st October 1799. He was publicly hanged on 16th October 1799. Bhigaji Kama. Bhigaji Kama was a part of non-cooperative movement and Quit India movement. Not just this, she also stood for gender equality and donated all her personal belongings to girls in orphanage. She unfurled the Indian flag at the International Socialist Conference at Stuttgart in Germany 1907. Master Da Surya Sen. Master Da Surya Sen revolution gave rise to several freedom fighters in Bengal. He was the man behind Chittagong Armory Raid, also known as Chittagong Uprising, and had 64 revolutionaries along with him. During the raid, they captured the city and hoisted the Indian national flag declaring Gandhi Raj. He was later captured, brutally tortured and hanged. The trio of Binoy, Badal and Dinesh. The trio of Binoy Basu, Badal Gupta and Dinesh Gupta were 22, 18 and 19 years old respectively when they targeted a brutal Inspector General of Police and Colonel N.S. Simpson. They wore European outfits, entered Writer's Building and killed him. When they were caught, Binoy took cyanide pill while Badal and Dinesh shot themselves dead before being captured. Tirupur Kumaran. Kumaran was the founder of the association named Deshbandhu Youth Association. Flag of Indian nationalists was banned by the British and he led a protest march holding the same against colonial government on 11 January 1932. Although he succumbed to injuries, he was found dead holding the flag. Begum Hazrat Mahal. The Indian Rebellion 1857 found Hazrat in a major role. When her husband Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was exiled, she took charge of Awadh and seized Lucknow. Later, she retreated to Kathmandu where she died. Tirot Singh. Tirot Singh, 18th century chief of Khasi people, had only swords, arrows and bows to fight against the British enemy. Untrained in British type of warfare, he resorted to guerrilla activity which went on for about 4 years. He was shot by the British and eventually captured in January 1833. His death anniversary is commemorated as a state holiday in Meghalaya. So these were the 10 unsung heroes who played a very important role in the freedom of India. So once again, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.